The United States and China have agreed to temporarily suspend most tariffs on each other's goods, marking a significant easing in trade tensions between the world's two largest economies. Under the new trade agreement, reciprocal tariffs will be cut from 125% to 10%. However, the U.S. will maintain its 20% tariffs on Chinese imports related to fentanyl, keeping the overall tariff level on Chinese goods at 30%. The deal follows high-level negotiations held in Switzerland over the weekend. U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent described the talks as productive and credited the Lake Geneva setting for contributing to a positive atmosphere. He confirmed that both nations reached an agreement on a 90-day pause in tariff hikes and a substantial reduction of tariffs on both sides by 115%. The suspension will take effect on Wednesday, and with ongoing discussions planned on broader economic and trade policy issues. The markets responded swiftly to the news. NASDAQ futures jumped 3.7%, S&P 500 futures rose 2.7%, and the Dow surged by more than 840 points. The ICE U.S. dollar index climbed 1.1%, reaching 101.46, while Europe Stoxx 600 index rose about 1% in mid-morning trading. Oil prices also rallied, with Brent crude futures trading above $65 per barrel, and U.S. West Texas Intermediate futures up nearly 3% at $62.81. Experts are calling the agreement a major de-escalation. Mark Williams of Capital Economics noted that while the truce is significant, the U.S. still maintains higher tariffs on China than other nations and is pressuring allies to adopt similar restrictions. He cautioned that there's no guarantee the 90-day pause will lead to a permanent resolution. Tai Huai of J.P. Morgan Asset Management said the depth of the tariff rollback exceeded expectations, signaling that both countries acknowledge the global economic risks of continued trade conflict. He emphasized that while the 90-day window may be too short for a comprehensive deal, it keeps momentum alive for further negotiation. Investors remain watchful for updates on unresolved issues, including China's restrictions on rare earth exports.